it was a little banged up, and I'll be happy to say, inserting pictures of what the lid looks like on the inside of this and what we're looking at inside here, just to give you an idea if you have this shipped to you as opposed to actually picking it up in a store. So I kind of opened this up already to make sure that everything was okay, but this is the Arc itself, and it actually comes in a sealed, I'm gonna call it like velvety-ish covering here. And I'll scoot this down a little bit because I do not have a lot of room in my filming location, but the Arc actually comes nestled fairly well in this. And we're just gonna take and pull this out and put this behind the big box here so that you can see nice deep channel. So this is, your Arc sits in this, one on each side, and then has that nice lid which is sitting over there. So there's nothing under these right here, but in the middle here we have a box which includes our welcome, and just popping it open has our little quick start guide here. We have an included HDMI cable, which is nice, power adapter, and everything is packaged up nice and neatly in here. I will give Sonos credit because I was definitely concerned that my bar may have been damaged in transit because of the handling of my local carrier. We'll say that. But thankfully, the bar itself is okay. Like I said, it's kind of like in this giant shimmy, which I've been trying not to have to try and take this off, but I guess, you know, we'll have to. So we'll just do that, and this would be the first look at the giant Sonos bar and the back there. So there we go. That was an unboxing of the Sonos Arc to let you know that in transit you don't have to worry about that.